Now the second and final example of transformations is asking us to translate, or along what vector you would translate D to A. So D looks to me like some sort of, it's quite difficult to see on here, but I think it's this shape here. So D is that shape, and it's moved now to A, which is over here. So how has D moved to A? Well, first of all, if we look at this corner and we say where has it gone to over here, we count the squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a 10 across. So then for part A, we know it's going to start with a 10. And then how many up? So that was to here. It'd be 1, 2, 3 up. Easy. And that's it. It's simply counting squares and writing them in a big pair of brackets. It's tempting to write a fraction here, but just don't do that. A vector has no fraction line in it. What about B? Different colour this time. I'm going to go for pink. If we go from C to D, so C is here, and D is here. So then again, we'll just look at one particular corner. It goes across by 1. So it's going to be 1 across, and then how many high from there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes up 8. Simple. We'll do C in blue. If we go from A to B, so B is over here now. How do we go from A to B? Again, look at the same corner. It goes down. Well, it goes down and then across, but remember the first number isn't down, it's across, so we have to do the across first. So let's say we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, and then how many down from there? So that was to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it goes 10 down. I'm not going to write 10, I'm going to write minus 10, because negative means it goes down. And the third example, let's do that in my favourite colour, orange, and we'll say that we go from A to C. So A to C, remember we do left and right first, so it's going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It goes 11 in the negative x direction, and that brought us to here. And then how many down? 1, 2. Well, do I have to count this, or can I just look at 4 and minus 7? Because it's quite far down, I'm just going to work out the difference between 4 and minus 7, and that's 11. It goes down 11, so therefore it's minus 11 here. So I don't really need to count if they're long distances. I can just look at the coordinates on the x and y and find the difference that way.